Tonight, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office investigating an arrest involving one of their own officers. I'm John Bachman.
I'm Tanika Hughes. Sheriff T.K. Waters said an officer resigned today after he was accused of breaking the law by using a police database for personal reasons. Action News Jack's Annette Gutierrez is live. And Annette, you looked into that officer's history.
And Tanika, I got my hands on that report, and in the more than 6 years he was with the agency, he's had 4 incidents that JSO had to investigate. And in a news briefing today, Sheriff T.K. Waters said no one is above the law. Every single officer will be held accountable. In a news briefing today, Sheriff T.K. Waters said Alan Lesage was arrested on a third-degree felony charge. Sheriff Waters said on May 20th, an internal audit revealed Lesage used a driver's database for personal reasons, which is against the law.
You're trying to determine whether a car is stolen, whether the people have a legitimate reason for being in a certain area, a variety of things.
Action News Jack's law and safety expert Dale Carson has over 2 decades of experience working as an FBI agent. He says officers have access to computers that allow them to type in a license plate number and get information from who owns the vehicle to someone's criminal history.
And those computers have direct access to the Department of Motor Vehicles. They also have direct access now to the National Criminal Index. And if you were to use or gather that information for an improper purpose, it is a crime.
Waters said on April 13th, Lesage ran 15 license plates in a parking lot of an apartment complex where his ex-girlfriend lived. He was not on duty at the time, and Waters said accessing this data for non-work related reasons is prohibited. He says no one is above the law.
It doesn't make me feel good. I mean, you don't want to arrest anyone, right? But I think more importantly is to show our public that we hold our police officers accountable and corrections officers accountable when they do things they have no business doing, like violating the law. So when that happens, we're going to take action.
Sheriff Waters said Lesage was with JSO for 6 years and 7 months. But as of today, he is no longer with the department. Action News Jax obtained Lesage's personal record and found he's been involved in 3 car accidents and 1 internal complaint from 2021. 2 of the car accidents happened within a month of each other in 2018. The other happened 2 years later. In all the incidents, Lesage was ordered to undergo counseling, and he also had to do training after the car accidents. And Lesage has a first appearance scheduled for tomorrow morning at 9. And of course, you can count on Action News Jax to give you all the updates on this story. For local coverage, you can count on reporting live at JSO headquarters, Annette Gutierrez, Action News Jax.